If you like attracting birds and other wildlife to your landscape and garden, you know how important it is to have a supply of water. But what do you do in the wintertime, especially when it's freezing? Like with the birds, they need the water then just as much as ever. Well, that's what we're going to talk about in today's video, how to keep the water flowing even when it's freezing. Now, we all know that water is an important resource, especially if you want to attract wildlife to your backyard. And for birds, it's the most important thing, and they need it 365 days a year. Now, having access to water in an urban setting especially is not always that easy, but you don't need a big fancy pond or anything like that to attract the birds, because you can even use an open container or a lid and just fill it with water. Perhaps put a rock in the middle where they can land and then drink the water and then bathe around it. And when it gets dirty, of course you want to make it clean and make sure that you scrub it out. Now, if you live in an area where the water happens to freeze, you've got to have access to that water. But it's a simple fix, and it's a de-icer. Now, you can buy those online or at a bird store for not a lot of money, and you can get one that's appropriately sized for the area that you're trying to de-ice. But if you want birds to come, you need to make that area available for them every day of the year, and a de-icer is a good answer for that.